How to buy Paint token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the code below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token to be able to buy this token. As you can see, this token trending number 1 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your function wallet for that. Click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and you can switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Paint token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.